Publish definition, publish in a sentence, publish pronunciation, publish meaning. Welcome to another research paper word. American pronunciation of publish. Publish. Pub-lish. Publish. Publish as a verb means to release a book, an article, or a piece of music to the public. Common usages in academic writing: to publish an article, to publish your paper, to publish in a journal, to publish your research, to publish internationally. Example sentences: publish, verb. The professor published his first article in 1993 on the migratory patterns of Canadian polar bears. Example sentence number 2. She was so focused on publishing her research that she neglected her own health. The common academic writing variation is unpublished, adjective. He would go unpublished for the next 5 years due to the methodological soundness of his research. Please write a sentence using publish in the comment section. I will read it and reply. Now you know the pronunciation of publish, the meaning of publish, and publish example sentences. I'll see you in the next research paper word video.